Hey guys, what's up? Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys! Happy New Year, Anushkins. So 2021, it is. I still can't believe हम January में हैं already, and New Year has begun. So amazing! Hi everyone. So let everyone join. So hi Meena. Hello. Hey Khushi, what's up? Hi Sushant. Hi Ayan Khan. Happy New Year to you as well. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. May all your wishes come true, and I hope that 2021 brings a lot of happiness in your lives. Hi Sakina, congratulations and Happy New Year. So I really hope that this year brings a lot of happiness and a lot of success, and I just hope that आप लोग को जो भी चाहिए, आप जो भी अचीव करना चाहते हैं, आप बस आपको वो हासिल हो. बस मैं यही विश करती हूँ कि 2021 सब अच्छे से हो जाए, एंड बहुत सारी नए पॉसिबिलिटीज़ हो, बहुत सारे न्यू अचीवमेंट्स हो आप सबकी. एंड 2020 was, of course, it was a difficult year for all of us. And I totally believe that this year kind of took a toll on us, 2020. But I think it has taught us a lot. बहुत सारी learnings हुई हैं, and it has genuinely taught me a lot for sure. And we have seen good times and bad times, but the most important thing is that we have faced all the bad times together, and we are in a very much better area right now. So 2020 was not the worst year, I wouldn't say that, but we fought together, and we were all united against this virus, and we are united against this virus, and we are kind of going strong. So 2021, I'm so excited for 2021. I want to do so much. I want to meet you all as well, because 2020 I couldn't meet. Hopefully हम मिल पाएंगे this year, but yeah. Congratulations for Crash. Thank you. This year is starting off with such a good note for sure. I mean, Crash हम shoot कर रहे हैं, और Feb में you guys will see Crash, and there's so much is going on, and I'm so excited about it for sure. So how did you guys celebrate your New Year's? How was your New Year yesterday? I had a lot of fun. I was at home. I didn't go anywhere, but I was with my family, mom and dad and Sindra. हम लोग ने बहुत मजे किए. I mean, we had good food, and we were chilling, relaxed. We watched an entire series from night to early morning, and it was 3 of us. We were just watching the web series, and we were like, wow, let's go. Then we talked. We cut a cake, which was very beautiful. Dad and mom planned it. बहुत अच्छे से उन्होंने वो 2021 का एक केक लाया था. हमने केक कटिंग की. We had good food. We spent time together. Very good 31st, a very chill, relaxed 31st. No, actually, it doesn't feel like 2021 is here already. I mean, it's taking some time to process, but I think 2020 was quite fast, for all of us. I think it felt like अभी तो Jan हुआ था, अभी तो 2020 हुआ था, but I think this year has taught us a lot. बहुत सिखाया है इस year ने, and we are much safer now. अभी तो बहुत better हो गया है हमारा जो कोरोना वायरस का कंडीशन है, but let's hope कि this goes away very soon. 2020 flu. Oh dear Lord. Hey, hi Sharanya, what's up? How are you? Hi Kangna. Hey Samir, what's up? Just taking a few names. Hi Prashi. Hi Amit. Thank you so much guys for 12.4 million. I'm so happy. आप लोग ने मतलब this live is basically for saying thanks to everyone who have supported me throughout these years, and we are a 12.4 million strong family. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Really it means a lot to me. Hi Joey, what's up? So I'm very happy, honestly. Thank you guys. Thank you for all the edits. I've been seeing the edits and I've been trying to, repost all the edits that I see. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Be any edit, photo edits, video edits, everything I really like. I have also seen some memes and all, which is really crazy. It's so much fun. So yeah, thank you for all the edits, for all the comments, all the love. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I feel really blessed and grateful to have you all. Love you, babe. Oh, love you guys too. What? I was in my nanny's house. We had a temple there. We had fun there. Jam fam. Seeing your post too. How cool is that? I mean, wow. Really amazing. I'm happy you spent time with your nanny at her house. I'm just so happy to see everyone's happy and celebrating with a lot of positivity. Just this year I have decided that we always do that, you guys and me, we both, as in my fans and me, we always try to spread as much as positivity, as much as love as possible. जितना हो सके हम खुशियाँ फैलाने की कोशिश करेंगे guys, and just be good to people, good to others, and let's just make 2021 a more happier year. Khushi, hi. Hey, Happy New Year, Chetna. Happy New Year. Hey, Ria, what's up? Hi, Ashmita. Hey. Hi, Meti. So good, your new post. Thank you so much. 2020 was kinda. Thank you for making it worth it. No, see, to be very honest, I think, I wouldn't say it was a cursed year. Of course, it was a real sad, very new, really scary year for us. But I think whatever happens for a reason. और मतलब जो हो गया has, like, I mean, what has happened. Now we're just gonna look forward, how to keep ourselves healthy, happy. Mental peace is so important. Just we are gonna focus on that, focus on the good part. Just stay in touch with your friends, and no, you don't know, probably somebody's going through something, so help them out, try your best to do that. And if you are going through something, talk to your parents, your friends, whoever you want to, and just let's make this year a very happy, positive, and beautiful year with lots of memories and happiness. I'm very excited for 2021. I mean, wow, I'm going to turn 19 in... Oh, my cross. 1 second. I'm going to turn 19 in 7 months. As you all know, I'm very excited for my birthday. Don't judge me, please. My mom and dad will laugh if I say now, कि Mom, Dad, मेरा birthday आ रहा है. But it's coming, no? 7 months. Yay. Okay. Can you say hi to bad bleeps? Bad bleeps. Okay. Happy New Year from Swastika. Okay. Happy New Year, Swastika, Sahil, Kritika, Almira, Sanaya, Ifi, Hazel, Ayush, Sharanya, Harshita, Anam, Abhi, Nadia, Rishita, and Neil. Okay. That was amazing. Wow. Okay. Let's see who I'm gonna add. Let's see. No, it's not my birthday. Somebody's wishing me happy birthday. मेरा birthday नहीं है. मेरा birthday नहीं है. Honestly. Happy New Year, Anushka. Happy New Year. Let's listen. Who's this? Janvi. Okay, I'm gonna try adding Janvi Jha. Hey, it's Angel like Anushka. What's up? Hi, Juhi. What's up? Hey. Hi, hi, Janvi. What's up? How are you? मुझे लगा नहीं था आप मेरे को ऐड कर लोगे. आपने इतना प्यारा सा पर्पल क्यों लिखा, तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं आपको ऐड कर लूं. थैंक यू. कैसे हो आप? हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. आप कहाँ से हो आप?
मैं भिलाई से हूँ.
बिलाई से हो आप। आपने
छत्तीसगढ़
कैसे
बिलाई।
सेलिब्रेट किया न्यू ईयर?
फ्रेंड्स के साथ, फैमिली फ्रेंड्स।
फ्रेंड्स के साथ। ओह हाउ नाइस, बहुत मजा आया आपको?
हाँ।
विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, आपको, आपकी फैमिली को। एंड मैं यही आशा करती हूँ कि आपके जितने भी सपने हैं, सब पूरे हो।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू जानवी, टेक केयर। बाय
थैंक
बाय।
यू। बाय।
हाउ स्वीट। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर गाइस। मैं नए नए लोगों को ऐड करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, so that you know I really want to add people who have not like spoken to. So let's see. You look so pretty. Thank you. Oh, what's with the? I don't know. I was very excited. Okay, let's see who to add. अभी किसको ऐड करें हम? Okay, let's see. Nautyal Sonu. I'm back. Oh, hi Sharanya. What's up? 2021. Hi.
हेलो।
कैसे हो आप?
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर। कैसे हो आप? कहाँ से हो?
मैं कब से ट्राई कर रही थी। एवरी
ओह।
लाइफ, सारे लाइफ में आता था, फिर भी अभी
अरे पता है
रिसेंट
वो,
ऐसे ही, मतलब ऐसे में ही डाला। फ्रेंड
अरे
रिक्वेस्ट
नहीं,
ऐसे में,
पता है
मतलब।
क्या होता है? पता है क्या होता है, मेरे को इतने सारे रिक्वेस्ट आते हैं ना, वो कभी कभी ऐड भी नहीं होता है।
हाँ,
समटाइम्स
वो
यू नो
होता है।
इंस्टाग्राम पे वो ऑप्शन ही नहीं आता है। बट मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि जितने
थैंक
लोगों
यू
को
फॉर
मैं ऐड
ज्वाइनिंग
कर
मी।
सकूँ। ओह इट्स ओके, इट्स ऑलराइट।
और आपने सीरीज क्यों छोड़ा वो वाला?
अभी
आपका टाइम नहीं
बहुत।
मिला। मैंने उसके लिए ना स्पेशली अपना गेम हटा के वो डाउनलोड किया Z5, एंड देन जब न्यूज आया कि आपने छोड़ दिया, मैंने डिलीट कर दिया।
एक्चुअली मेरी तबीयत बहुत खराब हो गई थी। बट अभी आपको टेंशन लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं, आप वापस वो ऐप डाउनलोड
आपका
करेंगे
नया
और नया वेब
सीरियल आ
सीरीज
रहा है।
आएगा। हाँ वही। तब वो टेंशन लेने की कोई जरूरत नहीं, आप वापस, आपको गेम डिलीट मत करना, जो भी आपको रखना है आप रखो, बट यू कैन
नहीं
डाउनलोड
चाहिए, नहीं, अब बैन हो
और।
गया पबजी।
ओ। ओ अच्छा, ओके। बैन हो गया तो कोई बात नहीं, तो अब आप डाउनलोड करोगे फरवरी में, तो आप मेरा नया वेब सीरीज देख पाओगे।
हाँ।
ठीक है सोनू,
एक
थैंक यू सो मच
स्क्रीनशॉट।
ज्वाइन करने के लिए। श्योर श्योर, टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सोनू, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। बाय बाय, हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
हैप्पी न्यू ईयर।
I'm doing the peace sign a lot these days. आजकल मतलब you will not imagine. मतलब I'm opening my phone and I'm like, oh shit, to stop. I have to do something else. But I really like doing this. I mean, you know, anytime someone comes up to me and they're like, oh, can you have a picture with you? I'm like, sure. Really enjoy doing this. Peace, peace out. Oh God, PUBG ban हो गया. Guys, and so many of you used to play PUBG. I mean, one of my friends too. I didn't know what was with that game. I mean, मेरे को आता ही नहीं है वो, मैंने देखा नहीं है कैसे खेलते. Whatever. It's banned now anyways. मेरे को समझना है वो Among Us का क्या फंडा है. I mean, it's so cute, no, that character. I think वो character इतना cute है. I would try to, you know, understand the game because of that. Bro, K-dramas getting in your head. Yes. But the thing is, now I watch particular kind of K-dramas. Particular meaning only those K-dramas which have Lee Min-ho in it. So I've almost finished all of them. I don't think so, all of them, but there's some left. But most of them I finished. So, yeah, I really like K dramas, but I really enjoy watching Lee Min Ho's work. It's so nice. Okay, hello. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I can teach you Among Us. We will play. Sure. But I find that character cute. I want something. वैसा कोई teddy bear या ऐसा कुछ, you know. I mean, you know, very cute at all. When will Sindra get married? I don't know. You have to ask that to her. That is not my department. That you have to ask her personally. She didn't tell me. Happy New Year, Amay Pandya. What's up, buddy? क्या हाल है आपके? Anushka, I'll teach you Among Us. So, what? Among Us? I'm not Ayush though. He is an actor. Oh, okay. मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा fan हूँ. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi, Anushka Singh. Not big fans. What's up? कैसे हैं आप? Who's this? Okay, let's. Aryansh. Happy New Year, Anushka. Happy New Year, Aryansh. Sapna Rajput. Let's see. Oh, I can't add you, Sapna Rajput, for some reason. Hi, Sapna. I saw your comment जिसमें आप बोल रहे हैं ऐड करने के लिए, but वो ऐड नहीं हो रहा है. Happy New Year, Muskan. Have a good year. You also have a good year. I really hope you have a great year ahead. How are you now, Anushka Sen? I'm good. I'm really good. I mean, honestly, I've felt so much better, and I'm working with good people. You know, honestly, touch wood, everything's working really well, and I'm really enjoying Crash. I can't tell you about it much, but you know, I can tell you that I'm playing Alia. So hi, I'm Alia. So, um, I'm playing Alia, and it's a very super cool character that I'm playing, and it's very interesting. Also, I'm working with really great people. I said this the last time, also, I think I was live, but I'm working with really amazing people. You saw the poster, all the co actors are great, you know, Rohan, Aditi, Zain, Kunj, everyone, even the others in the web series, and also our, you know, the team, like the director, the creatives, and everyone are like so in sync, and we are all in sync, you know, we are all in the same page, and we are just, our focus is to like work nicely and get the best out of every scene that we do. And the reason behind this is कि हम चाहते हैं कि आप लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगे क्रैश, आप लोग कनेक्ट कर पाए उससे. So I'm very very excited for, you know, you all to watch Crash. Very excited. Hi Devi. Happy New Year. Yes, it's my first ever web series. That's why I'm very excited. You know, I mean, I've always wanted to do web series, and you all know I watch so much of web series. मेरे को खुद को बहुत पसंद है देखना, and now I'm working in one, so I think it's really interesting. My mom says hi and happy new year to everyone, and my dad also. From my family to yours, happy new year. I like your lipstick. Thank you. It's very natural. This is my favorite lipstick. I always use this. I really like it. Anushka, it's my birthday month. Yay, Khushi! Excited for Crash. Thank you. Thank you. Everyone saying hi, Auntie. Perfect. I'll convey your hi to her. Lots of love, Sen family. Thank you. Sen family also sends out a lot of love. New character, new role again. We are going to watch Anushka doing ye. Super excited. I'm also very excited. It's very interesting. A new character. I'm also excited for the music video. I don't know when it's coming out, but I'm very excited. And मेरे से वेट नहीं हो रहा है. मेरे को खुद को मतलब मेरे को देखना है, and मेरे को देखना है कि आप लोगों को कैसा पसंद आया. Because I've had so much fun shooting it. You know, बहुत मजा आया मुझे. Genuinely, one of the best experiences I've ever had. And again, बहुत अच्छा team. Teach me how to get long nails. I had long nails. I didn't do anything to maintain. I just did a lot of manicures and all. But now I'm doing extensions because I really wanted to. Okay. Anushka, are you still doing online class? There was a holiday and online class because of New Year's and everything. But yeah, I'm trying to be as much as connected. Let's have some merch. Oh yeah, I would love to. Let's see. I just want कि वो best हो ना merch. I don't want it to be something done in a rush or anything, you know. So let's work on it. I would start working on it. Hi Kushi. Oh wow, you have bangs now? Wow, look at your
Yeah.
hairstyle. How cool. Wow.
Do you like it?
Yay. You cut it on your by
Actually,
yourself?
yeah. Yeah.
Wow,
I
talented.
did it on my own.
How nice. How cool. You're
You
looking
know,
very nice, by the way.
I didn't.
Suiting.
Thank you. Like, I was regretting it, but then now you are saying that.
No. What? No. It's giving you like this new style, you know, and you're carrying it very
Feels new,
nice. Very
feels
good.
2021.
2021. Happy New Year.
You know this. I learned this from K-dramas. Like, since I started watching K-dramas, I started doing this a lot.
Yeah. I thought I was born only like this, I think. I'm doing this all the time. Best. Peace out. Spreading peace in the best way
Yes,
possible.
peace.
Oh God. But
So,
how
by
cool.
the way, what was the series you guys were watching yesterday? Like,
Oh, we were watching
told us.
Criminal Justice. We were watching Criminal Justice, and because we're big fans of Pankaj Tripathi, so we were like, "Ki, let's watch." We really love his work, so we were like, "Let's watch." So we watched 10 episodes. We started
watched too.
raat ko and then we finished subah. But that's how it's supposed to be, a memorable, 31st night.
Yeah.
But how cool.
By the way, you should watch King. It's a
I watched The
K-drama, you'll love
King.
it,
I told you, na, Lehman was every project I watched on Netflix. I watched that. I
His
watched
new project.
the school drama. What was it? I forgot. I don't remember. I've also watched It's
Yeah.
Okay to Not Be
Boys
Okay.
Over Flower.
No, not that
Boys
one.
Over
Another
Flower,
one.
You
Another one.
You inherit.
Yeah. Inheritors or something. I watched it long
Yeah.
back. And then I watched It's Okay to
I
Not Be
watched
Okay
so
as
many
well.
K-dramas now.
I was just watching
It's
K-dramas for a
beautiful,
while.
right?
I was watching K-dramas so much
It's
that
so
Netflix
cute.
stopped suggesting me English movies. It's just suggesting.
Same. My suggestion is full of K-dramas. That's why I keep asking people to suggest me some English.
Totally. But anyways, it's
How's
good.
everyone,
All
by
good.
the way?
Very nice. They're all good. My family is all
Say
fine.
my hi to everyone.
Sure,
Thank you,
Kushi.
Yasser.
Definitely.
Also, will you take my DM?
Yes, I will do that. I'll do that for sure.
Okay.
Take care.
Love you and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Kushi. Bye bye. Oops. Did she say wait? Aw. No problem. I'll check your DM and then I'll talk. No problem. So, what was that? Comment? Ma'am, can I be live with you? Okay, sure. Why not? Let's see Riddhi Modi. Wow. Hi.
Oh my god!
Hi, I can't see you. I can't hear you also properly. Hey, Riddhi, can you hear me? Buddy? Oh, I think she's in poor network. I really wanted to. No problem. I think she's in poor network or something. Riddhi, sorry, Baba, I couldn't add you. I mean, I did add you, but then I think because of your network. But no problem. कोई बात नहीं. Let's see. I'll try adding her again because she seemed. Anushka, I love that look when you check the comments so focused. Hi, Devi. How are you? Oh, I haven't said this in a while, but Aku Cinta Indonesia. Aku Cinta Indonesia. Aku Cinta Anushkins. Hi, Riddhi. Finally, I could see you. Hi, कैसे हो आप? Aw, I'm so happy that ये connect हुआ वो. I think because of network वो connect नहीं हो रहा था. But no issues. How are you, Riddhi? Yeah, no problem. I tried again. So, how are you, Riddhi? Aw, thank you so much. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Riddhi. कहाँ से हो आप? Sorry, मैं आपको सुन नहीं पाई आप. जयपुर. Oh wow, Pink City. बहुत ही खूबसूरत. Amazing. How nice. Oh,
एक सेकंड
it's okay with me. No problem.
हाय ओ माय
I think
गॉड
your connection is very poor. I can't see you
राइट नाउ
clearly, but
शिवरिंग
so
यार
nice talking to you.
Yeah, actually, no, there was some problem with my connection.
Oh, thank you, Riddhi. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, thank you so much.
Okay.
Happy New Year.
I think the
Yeah,
network is.
मैं जयपुर
Riddhi, your
से
network is a little. मैं आपको
जयपुर
देख नहीं
जयपुर
पा रही हूँ.
राजस्थान या या
Yeah, it's better.
यार I can't believe I'm live with you यार I just means I just commented on you. Oh my god यार
Hi. Hello. कैसे हो आप?
yeah
थैंक यू
yeah
थैंक यू सो मच. मुझे बहुत
I'm
अच्छा लगा
so
कि आप
happy
लोग
right
मेरे
now.
साथ लाइव आ रहे हो.
I'm
मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगा.
literally I'm so happy.
Thank you so
Oh,
much.
you can just wait for 1 minute. Please, just
Thank
1 minute.
thank you for joining, Riddhi. Thank you so much. Take care. Thank you so much.
Please, you can just wait for minutes.
No, no,
Yeah,
no. Thank you so
please
much
1
for
minute.
trying also. It just really means a
Now it
lot
is
that
okay?
आप मेरे को इतना appreciate कर रहे हो. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. जल्दी आ रहे हो,
Thank
जल्दी
you.
आओ। Please, जल्दी आओ। Oh my god.
Thank
Means
you. Thank you
I
so
want to
much,
tell
Riddhi.
you.
Thank you. Bye. How sweet. She called the entire family. इतना अच्छा लगा मुझे. I'm so happy इतना from different places. जब भी मैं किसी को add करती हूँ, someone's from Jaipur, someone's from Rajasthan, someone's from other part like probably Chennai or some place. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि so much love from so many parts of the world. There's Indonesia, there's different countries as well involved, so that makes me really happy. So let's see. हेलो हाय कैसे हैं आप सब. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू एड as many as people as possible. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर अयान. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. कैसे हो आप. in 2020 let's have merch in peace. probably मेरा merch में एक तो ऐसा रहेगा like this. Okay, thank you, but thank you so much for so much love. Thank you. I'm gonna save this live, of course. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in my IGTV. मैं डाल दूंगी. सुफियान शेख, हेलो. मैं आपका कमेंट अभी देखा. हेलो नीरज. हेलो ध्रुव. हेलो शाजिया. के नाम कितने इंटरेस्टिंग है सबके. Nice eyes. Thank you. Thank you so much. So lovely. 2021, 1st January. Damn. Let's go. What color would you like to be in Among Us? I don't know anything. I mean, blue or red, probably. Red is, I don't know. No, not red. I think blue or probably lavender, if there is lavender. There is, right? I can't be lavender, no? Lavender is something I'm really obsessed with these days. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Salim. Hi, Hinal. Hi, Inaya. কেমন আছো? আমি ভালো আছি, তুমি কেমন আছো? Hey, Sunil Bagela. Hello, Jhalak. Hello, Asif. Hello, Abhishek. Okay, let's see who we can add. किसको ऐड करें हम बताओ. You're killing us on the very first day, bro, with those looks. Thank you. কেমন আছো দিদি? আমি ভালো আছি পিয়াস, কেমন আছো তুমি? Ashwarya. Hi. Hey Ashwarya. Hi Vidhi. Purely Anushka. Let's add Purely Anushka. What course are you doing right now in college? Hi.
Oh God.
Purely Anushka. What a sweet username आपका, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. Thank you.
Thank you so much. OMG.
आपका नाम विधि है ना? Hi
Yes.
विधि.
Hi.
कहाँ से
How
हो
are you?
आप? I'm good.
I am from
Where are you
Surat.
from? Surat. Okay. How was your New Year? कैसा celebrate किया आपने?
Too much good.
Yeah. Awesome. How did you celebrate it? With your parents, friends, what?
Friends
Party?
and family.
Oh wow, friends and family. Amazing. Very good.
I can't believe.
Aww. I used to have same glasses. I think not same. I had a cheetah print one, but like एक time पे I used to really love wearing like round glasses. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था.
I saw. Then only I purchased it.
Yeah, how sweet. Because I used to like have a phase of just wearing round glasses. I used to just buy round frames.
I also love it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you, Vidhi. Thank you for joining my live. Take care and have a very good and happy new year and keep smiling like this.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Bye bye. How sweet. Aww. I'm so happy now these days. I can add so many people on my life. Yeah. Shit, if there was Sindra here ना मैं बात करा देती आपकी. Thank you for so much wishes. आपकी wishes की वजह से Sindra is getting well and she's getting better. To be very honest, she was very sick. She was not doing well for about a few days. She was not having food properly. She was not having food at all for a few days, and I was scared. My entire family was scared that what happened. Then we went then we took her to the vet. Doctor को बोला हमने कि ऐसे ऐसे हो रहा है. She did some tests and all, and then she found out something, and then she gave medication and all. And I was really sad. I mean, for that moment of time, I felt that I really can't see Sindra like that क्योंकि वो हमारी power house है, like हमारे घर की most important member. She's like our topmost मेरी life की. She's like you know she's in my heart and she's the reason हम लोग इतना खुश रहते हैं घर पे. I think वो उदास माहौल को भी she makes it happy. And she's a baby, so बहुत बुरा लग रहा था. I was like, what's gonna happen, क्या होगा, I don't know. But I was sure, my mom, dad, me, we were all taking care of her. And within like a week, she started, getting better. Medication work होने लगा. And then आप लोग की wishes इतनी थी, that's why I put that story up where I was, you know, looking down like that and hugging Sin. I was actually very sad at that moment. And I put that up. So I was like, I was not telling you guys for a while, but I thought I'll just probably put that out. And I think every time I have felt weak, and you all know I was not well. मेरी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब थी. आप लोग को तो मालूम ही होगा. फिर मैं ठीक हो गई क्योंकि आप लोग के विशेस हैं साथ में. And Simra also got better and she's now doing like really really well. I'm just really happy कि आपकी prayers and wishes हमारे साथ हैं. And the vet is also has been very helpful. She's taking rest और अभी medication उसकी चल रही है. I think it'll take another month or something to have her back 100%, like 100% उसे recover होने के लिए. But she is doing very good. She's doing great. She's doing better than before. So thank you guys. If she was not sleeping or anything, I would have called her. She was here only for a while. I think फिर मैंने उसे देखा नहीं. I think she's in my parents' room. So yeah. No, Sharanya, take care. How was your birthday, by the way? How was your birthday? Assamese, you speak? No, I'm not from Assam. I don't know how to speak Assamese. I know how to speak Bengali, English, Hindi, and what else? Yeah, I really want to learn some more languages as I tried to learn French also, then I got out of touch. मेरे को मराठी समझ में आती है, गुजराती समझ में आती है. Happy New Year, Kamar. Hello. Hello, buddy. Who's here? देखो मिलो. Do you want to come in my live? Would you do the honors to be the celebrity guest of my live? Hello. Strong movie. She always does it. Why do you know this to me? I'm kidding. Strong baby. Strong baby. Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year to them. Happy New Year. Yay, sleep. She has learned this thing. उसको ठंड लगती है ना. She climbs up the couch. ऐसे आ जाती है couch पे अपने आप. She'll be standing there. Sometimes she'll ask me also like, can I come? Something like that. She'll just stand and look at me. I'm like, come. So then she'll watch yesterday she was watching the series with us. वो बैठ के देख रही थी हमारे साथ. And then sometimes she would just climb up and then so because the TV is right here. Sit on the couch right here. The AC is right there. So when I feel cold, मैं ऐसा वो होता है ना, I get my blanket like मेरी चादर लेके I sit. And then when Sindra comes, I put that chadar on her also. We share that same blanket and it feels so good, yaar. I mean, I don't want to move from there. I want that moment to just stay. बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे. Feels so. She's getting better. She's a strong baby, She got me through my tough times. I'm gonna get her through her tough times. Yeah, buddy? Bro. Okay, you wanna sleep? Sorry. Sup? Do you wanna go? नीचे? चलो अच्छा है. Lovely talking to you all on the first day of 2021. I really hope कि आप सबका New Year बहुत अच्छा हो. This year, I mean, not only New Year's, but 2021 आपका अच्छा हो, सारे सपने पूरे हो, and your family, you guys are happy, and healthy, very important, healthy mentally, physically, and I really hope that you're surrounded with good people, positivity, and I think that's very important. तो आप लोग बस अपना ख्याल रखिए. And anything happens, see, to be very honest, I have a lot of DMs that I can't open. Sometimes I can't even read. There's so many requests that I can't read, but I try my best to reply to some people. I remember, talking to some people on personal level, as in, when they were not going through a very good time. So if you feel like you want to share something to me, I'm always open. I might reply a little late sometimes, अगर मेरे को आपका डीएम नहीं मिले तो, बट आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू ओपन योर डीएम्स एंड स्टे कनेक्टेड विथ यू ऑल. तो अपना ख्याल रखिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल द एडिट्स, ऑल द लव दैट यू ऑल गिव अनुष्किन, एंड आई रियली लव यू ऑल फ्रॉम माई हार्ट. जितने भी लोग हैं, इंडिया से हैं, इंडिया के बाहर हैं, जहाँ से भी हैं आप, आपको बहुत सारा प्यार है मेरी तरफ से. लॉट ऑफ लव टू यू गाइज. And we are gonna reach 13 million soon. It's a very big thing for me. So lots of love. Take care, buddies. And just chill in life. एकदम सब ठीक रहेगा. Bye bye.